Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is April 23rd, 2021. So when you come back, we're going to find out what happened with rates today. So don't go away. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to ask this at the beginning. I hope you like the video when you watch it. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. So what's going on in the market today? Well, we had a reprieval or a reduction or whatever you want to call it in what's going on with mortgage rates. So what do we know on this, guys? This number right here, we follow the MBSs. It's down 8. What does 8 mean? Down pricing. Rates are going up. So that's what this means. Don't fret, guys, especially those that I talked to today and yesterday and the last couple of days. Nothing's really going on with rates right now. So we're still on the hold pattern on what we're doing. If we're locking or floating, we're still floating. So let's get back to it. What's going on here and why is this happening? Well, yesterday, we won't go with yesterday. Let's just go with what's happening today. Look what's going on. So since February, we had the decline, but right now we're having this rally. But the resistance level, as you guys know, we see these numbers or these lines right here. What are these lines? These are what we call Fibonacci levels. Okay, these are resistance levels. They put in basically short-term tops and bottoms. So when things hit here, they bounce around. Okay, then there's other things in this arena, which are squiggly lines, and those lines are right here, and right here. These are moving averages, and they are the 25-day moving average, the 50-day moving average right here, and the 100-day moving average right here. So these are what are going to create resistance levels or additional resistance levels for us. Okay, so what are we seeing right now? Well, we're seeing that this Fibonacci level right here is working. Okay, it's creating a ceiling. We don't want the ceiling, but at least it's doing what it's supposed to do. Why? Is because we hit it here and stopped. We hit it here and stopped. I'm hoping to break through here and close above this level. What that tells me then is our next resistance level will be all the way up here. And again, as this is going up, rates come down. So today's little tick of -8 isn't doing anything. So what happened throughout the day? Was there any catastrophic events or anything that happened? Well, right out of the gate, we kind of crashed, and then we crashed. We were down when I got in this morning about 20, and we recovered from there. Even at some point in the day, we were hitting zeros or no changes. And then we were right here at -8. Nothing's really happening. And I'll show you that here when I go over rates in 1 minute. Economic calendar for today. What did we find today? New home sales. They were up substantially from what we expected. Why are new home sales way up and existing home sales down? Or they didn't even hit our consensus numbers? Well, the reason behind that is there's no existing homes on the market. Nobody's selling their homes that they're living in for multiple reasons. The pandemic, they don't want people in the house. Forbearance is pushing out mortgage payments for people that don't have to make mortgage payments. Why would you sell your house if you're not making mortgage payments? And they're not comfortable moving just yet. Those that are comfortable moving are looking to build homes because there's no inventory. Okay, so that's it. So there is not a catastrophic event happening in home sales. There's just nothing on the market. So what's going on with rates today? And that's what you're here for. So we go over the 30-year conforming, jumbo, FHA, and VA. The 30-year conforming right now is 315, 318 on the jumbo, 318 on the FHA, and 275 on the VA. What's the differential? Basically nothing. Nothing. A basis point, such as here, 2 basis points, equates out to, when it comes to numbers, 0.02. Okay, so the only thing that really moved was the jumbo rate, up 0.02. So basically nothing. 7-day delta for where we've been for the week, nothing. That's why we're floating, people. That's why we're floating. We're picking up some time. I'll go over next week how shortening the length of time you need on your lock helps with your rate. Okay, over the last month, we're seeing about an 1/8 difference or lower in rates from where we've been. So that's all I got for today. Here's what I'm going to ask you to do. I ask this every day. So please, if you're building, buying, refinancing, give us a shot. What do you have to lose? Maybe 10 minutes on the phone with us. We are not high pressure sales. Well, basically, you give us the facts and we'll tell you what we can or can't do. Simple as that. If you're in a forbearance, you got to call us. because if you don't call your servicer, there's a lot of things behind the scenes. If you don't do it, you're going to get stuck. So please call us, and so we can advise you on what you should be doing on your forbearance. So again, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell if you would, so every time I post a video, you'll get an alert. So to find out more about me and my team, what do you need to do? Well, if you would, please go to YouTube. Check us out there, The Rate Update with Dan Frio. We're at about 100 subscribers a day, so thanks to you guys. There's over 800 videos here for you to choose from. If you're like, hey Dan, I just want to get this ball rolling, what can you do for us? Or how do I get a hold of you guys? Great question. If you want to apply online, click this button right here, the Apply Now button. This will take you to our desktop and or your mobile app, and it is fantastic. It'll take you basically from the starting of the loan process all the way through closing, and you'll be in tune on what's going on with your loan at each step. If you have a loan officer on my team you're working with and you want to apply with them, just click the Apply Now button right here, and all of them will be listed. If you want to call, you're like, I just want to call somebody. Awesome. Just do that. Call us at 844-775-LOAN right here. You can follow us on all our social media. What most people are doing, because they don't have time to talk, when they're watching this video, they're like, oh, y'all schedule this for tomorrow or the next day or the weekend. Please go to just scroll up from the bottom of our screen, pick a 15, 30, or 60-minute consultation. You'll click it. You'll pick a day and time that fits your fancy. You'll get a notification. We will as well. It'll go on our calendar, and then we'll do the consultation either by Skype, Zoom, or by phone call. If you click this button right here to apply now, you're going to be launched to this section right here. You can buy, refinance, and it gives you a whole bunch of details, and you'll be on your way. So that is it for today, guys. God bless. Take care. TGIF. Have a great Friday and weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.